ukuthi ushota ngezinto. So yeah, this is me ngishota ngama body parts. Unfortunately, I'm not one of the fortunate ones to totally have to be like this. But when you are born disabled, it might be a curse, a party or something. Ugogo wami ugcine angithatha angikhulisa ne because of I was born disabled and there was that mentality ukuthi umntwana wakho makazalwa disabled yibhadi nani. Yeah, that's all I've learned about that. The cause of disability might be substances. Ungazalwa unganasandla, ungazalwa ushoda inyawo, ungazalwa unganasandla neenyawo and so on. It's just born with shortness of limbs. Ukuthi yeyiphi limb engekho doesn't matter.
Hey yo, what up good people? It's your boy Elite CM. I'm the one and only Martin and Tizu, already know. We are back with another episode and angiko yowani. Who am I with today?
Cho kwenye nenyule mfano mekezele mse aka short stuff. Mfano nganazandla wenza izinto zenzeke ngithi uye. Thanda abangithandayo, ngithanda abangizondayo cause asikho isikhathi sokugcwalisa inhliziyo ngezinto ezimbi. Danko.
Awuthenga.
Yes my brother.
Unjani?
I'm good, thanks on yourself, eh?
I'm good, man. I'm good. Yeah, I'm so excited to have you on the show, man. It's been a minute.
Thank you very much for having me, brother. Thank
Yeah.
you very much for having me. Yeah.
Okay. To umuntu mhlambe ongakwazi ubani usuka kuphi?
To umuntu ongangazi nge-ID I'm Mweketse Adams. Then in social media I'm short stuff. I mean short stuff because ngishota ngezindawo. So yeah, short stuff.
Sukela lapho kahle lelo gama.
Yeah, lelo gama I just saw I was Mankind. I was Dido Max cause my name is Mweketse.
Okay.
And the nickname is Max. So I decided ukusebenzisa igama elithi short stuff because of ngesilungu it might be like meaning yakho ngabheka le, but then if we director, like if you what's the word, translate it directly, just means ukuthi ushota ngezinto. So yeah, this is me ngishota ngama body parts. Yeah, so yeah, this is Mweketse Adams aka short stuff, born with a disability called phocomelia. Phocomelia, yeah, meaning born with a shortness of limbs. So uzalwa ushota ngama body parts. I think ngizalelwe Goli. I think ngizalelwe Goli based on what my parents tell me.
Okay.
But ngikhulele Northwest eKhuma. Yeah, I think that's all I have to say based on ukuthi ngiphuma kuphi. Yeah.
Okay, no ngiyakuzwa. Awuthiyami cause omunye uhleli lapha ekhaya ucabanga ukuthi mhlambe there was an accident maybe that happened which got you mhlambe ukuthi ugcine yabo cause omunye like I think maybe ku social media abanye abantu mabekubona umuntu acabanga ukuthi maybe it was an accident.
Okay. Yeah, no. I mean I was born like this. No accident. Unfortunately, I'm not one of the fortunate ones to totally have to be like this.
Is it?
Yeah, definitely not. I was like literally born like this. Nothing happened, no accident, no nothing. Yeah.
Okay. Then ukhula nobani Awuthiyami?
Fortunate enough, I mean as umuntu nama unfortunate and fortunate parts. So fortunate enough mina ngikhula with both my parents, mother and father. Yeah, but just to share the story ukuthi ngibuyaphi. I know my parents might not like this, but ngizalelwe eGoli, ngakhulela Northwest, but when growing up, I mean it's known unless it's changed now ukuthi like when you are born kunale mentality or this ongoing trend ukuthi when you are born disabled it might be a curse, ibadi or something. So when growing up, this is just a story that esingizusubhlungu blind. So when growing up, I think I assume, and I won't blame my parents because I mean bangikhulise grand and yabo, but I assume ukuthi there was that mentality ukuthi mawuzalwa disabled there's a curse or so on, because mina mangizalwa a lot of things happened and ugogo wami, meaning umama kamamami. So I was not born yet. Okay, I was born yet. Like ingqondo yami bengasebenzi yet. So what I'm sharing now is the story that I heard.
Okay.
Ne ukuthi mangizalwa ugogo wami ugcine angithatha angikhulisa ne because of I was born disabled and there was that mentality ukuthi umntwana wakho makazalwa disabled ibhadi nani until my father fought for me and went to Lesotho because abazali not abazali bami but abazali babazali bami bahlale Lesotho nani which is la abantu bebangikhulisa nani but bekungasi story eside nani ubaba umugcina ngilanda then everything went perfectly fine from there. Yeah.
Because it's my first time hearing about such disability. Like to someone mhlambe ongazi, maybe you might have studied about it, yabo. Like what causes it, and yeah, like
the studies have shown ukuthi the cause of phocomelia might be drinking alcohol during pregnancy. And I mean substances, let me just say substances during a pregnancy. Not saying that abazali bami beba like they were using substances while they were pregnant. I'm not saying that. I mean, God is God and studies are studies. God is God and studies are studies. So based on studies, ukuthi umuntu akule like azalwe nge-phocomelia, it's because of substances during a pregnancy. But I only believe that it's God's decision. And because yazi mawuzalwa awuzalwa unengqondo remember yonke into nani. So what I'm also told is that my parents were not, like my mother was not doing any substance maga pregnant ngam. Yabo. So that also shows that it's just God's decision, man. Yeah.
So is that all about your disability that you have learned about?
Yeah, that's all I've learned about, that the cause of disability might be substances only. But I mean, umuntu disabled, when a person like azalwa are disabled, it's not only like substances or so on. Like it happens ukuthi uvela uzalwe disabled.
No, it happens.
God's decision.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
It happens.
Yeah.
It happens.
So yeah, that's all ngingasho ukuthi like what causes disability but like it might happen ukuthi they might like abayenzanga ama substance when they were pregnant ngamnani or whoever else yabo, then bazalwa aba disabled. Yeah. That's all I can say ukuthi like about the disability and ukuthi caused yini. None.
And then okay, and then have you ever like met someone with the same disability that you have?
Not the same, but under the same category. I mean, I've never met someone who is exactly like me. I mean, I don't know if this is two or one fingers, but like who is designed like me. But bakhona abantu engibaziyo bazalwe under the disability called phocomelia. So now phocomelia means born with shortness of limbs. Ungazalwa unganasandla, ungazalwa ushort inyawo, ungazalwa unganasandla neenyawo, and so on. It's just born with shortness of limbs. Ukuthi yeyiphi limb engekho doesn't matter. Yeah.
So ibizwa ngokuhlukahlukana le.
So there are multiples of disability. There are like maningi ama disability akhona emhlabeni.
Yeah.
So mine is just called phocomelia, where you are born with shortness of limbs. There are disabilities abizwa ngama MD, muscular dystrophy, whereby uzalwa normal as you, but when you grow older, you become weaker and weaker and weaker to a point where you end up using a wheelchair. You end up, unfortunately, ungakwazi ukwenza next by like ungakwazi ukuzenzela next ngokwakho. Yabo.
Yeah.
So yeah, there are a lot of disabilities.
So it happens ukuthi uzalwe like you. Alright.
Yeah.
And then at a later stage maybe
Iqale
Qale inkinga and yes, it happens ukuthi uzalwe right, then at a later stage this occurs. That means ukuthi you were born with a disability. I mean, yazi abo doctor man like yibaba waziyo lezi zinto ezikanje nani. Yabo. So it happens ukuthi uzalwe right, but like inside you kunezinye izinto ezingekho right, where I mean as parents or as somebody you can't notice that because now is visa later,
so
yeah,
so cool.
So yes, it happens.
Okay.
Cause lately bekunogelo betrenda naye uye wavelelwa ukuthi unesinye, is it a disability or isifo or something
or condition or whatever, yeah.
Leyo guga
like kanjani so
like ethi bena 31 abukeke njengomuntu osemdala ongathi una 80.
Oh, okay, yeah, I think I've heard the story, but I'm not familiar with that disability. I mean, when that trended, I was also surprised because I mean I'm disabled, so I do study disability, like ukuthi ngazi ukuthi okay umuntu okanje kukanje nakanje. So I did hear about that, and I personally think allegedly ubuloyi dog, cause like we do praise God, like abantu bangangithathi kabi ngento engizoyisho ne, we believe in God, we do praise in God, but I also think that ubuloyi it's real.
No, it is real.
Sure.
It is real, yabo. Thank you very much for agreeing with me. So I think that ubuloyi, because I've personally I've never heard about that kind of things. Like akazi ngizwe ngento enjalo ukuthi uyazalwa then jiki kuna 20 and you look 80 or 60 for example. That's like a scenario like engiyenzayo. So I think that ubuloyi, because I've heard the story and etc. But besides that, yes, uyakwazi ukuzalwa nge-disability nani. But ngale story oshoyo, I just think that ubuloyi, because anyeke sibize looking older as a disability. Yabo. Yeah, that's
not a
just my
disability, ne?
Nah, looking older, that's not a disability, man. It's caused by something. It's, I mean, uyaguga ngokuphuza utshwala kakhulu, uba nephuza face. Uyaguga ngokuthakathi because you did something wrong or so on. Yabo. So for me, angisho ukuthi abantu bathi nabo for in, I mean, we all have our own beliefs and so on. So for me, I think ubuloyi, man. Yeah.
Okay, as educate abantu mfethu. Yeah, because abantu, I think they get confused at times. Being disabled and living with a disability. Can you break it down? Because omunye uzothi you are disabled. You see, and when I know you'd argue and say I'm not disabled.
I'm not disabled. Because for me, into porayo ngalento le is that we have a lot of opinions and perspectives. Yabo. But for me, I'm not disabled. I'm just differently abled. So that means I'm built different.
Yeah.
So I might also state that I stay alone currently, do everything, and I mean everything, by myself. Then of course I don't have hands, so there are some parts where I'm struggling to do things. But now able to pelele. And I'm 100% sure that there are some things you can't do now. Yabo. So I won't consider that as disability, right? That's why I name it differently abled. Now your question was, I must differentiate between living with a disability and being disabled. For me, being disabled is ukungakwazi ukuzenzela yonke into. For me, ukungakwazi ukuzenzela yonke into, and being disabled is just living with a condition, man. Being disabled is living with a condition like me. I'm living with a disability called phocomelia. It's a condition because I mean I'm different between lababanye. The condition can be mental, it can be health, it can be physical, and so on. So that's the different for me.
Let's take it back at Kulen Gwako, you see. Did you find it like so hard at times? Because I think maybe it's using the shampoos funde so umdala shampo kuzenzela. You see, I don't know. Would like to hear that from you. So like, take us through your upbringing. How was it like growing up, like being around other kids, you know? As much as now you are saying Guti, you are different. Were the other kids also seeing you as a different person? Like, what would like, cause you know, like as kids, it's so crazy with as kids as in izinto, kufana noma mhlambe, like as more young, like you don't seems to understand mhlambe izinto efana nabo disability. So as in izinto available like. Iba like unusual like ukubona mhlambe omunye umntwana living with a disability as a kid now mawumbona like kuba different you see, and anga reacta even in a different way or akhulume in a maybe in a bad way you see. So did you ever like went through such? What was happening when in your upbringing?
I did. Fortunately enough, besides the sad story that when I was raised in a mentality abantu nanani uthi ngakhuliswa ugogo, and I doubt it was more than 3 years or so. Besides that part, I was fortunate enough ukhuliswa abazali bami. So I'm raised ngomama wami no baba wami. Yabo. And yeah, man, they were so supportive. I did get a chance yokuphuma ngidlale nabanye abantwana and so on, yabo. And as you say ukuthi like mau disabled, I was like I was noticed as much lezo zinto lezo. I mean not mouth disabled man, mawumncane. I was noticed as much lezo zinto lezo. Yabo. I was young, like I didn't notice as much difference, but I think I was included, including the part that like abazali bami bebakhona in each and every step of my life. And now makufika emhlabeni I did like bebakhona abantu abangikhuluma kabi ukuthi yo bheka lo mfana lo akanazandla, bheka lo mfana lo unjanjani, bheka uhamba kabi kanjani, bheka kunjanjani nani yabo. I mean that's life, and I just decide to educate labo bantu abanjalo, because what causes this, it's knowledge. It's not knowing about this. I highly doubt ukuthi umuntu angavela afike athi yebo wena awunazandla wawukanje nani ayazi ukuthi there is a thing called disability. I mean you won't do that yourself wazi ukuthi there is a thing called disability. So it's just lack of knowledge. And I think wonke umuntu o disabled has experienced that. Ukuthi kunabanye abantu bazomhleka, kunabanye abantu bazokhala, kunabanye abantu bazoyenza 1 2 3 just because you are built differently. Yabo. So in that matter, yes, just to answer the question, yes, I've experienced that. And I mean all I have to do is just educate people about that now. I won't answer for Dala or so on, because I mean bengimncane and I won't recall everything that happened and so on.
Okay.
But yeah, that's all I have to say to answer the question. Yes.
With your parents, there's no one like maybe, or in your family, maybe or maybe like on a disability and stuff. Were you like the first person maybe again?
So kubazali bami, I am the only person
Okay.
or disabled, but umalume wami dated someone who umntwanakhe naye bekane disability where I just forgot ukuthi beka umfana intombazana, but where he or she can't do anything by him or herself. But yeah, but like kuma genes, I think I am the only one. Gogo, mama, like go family, I'm like, yeah, I am the only one. That's why ngisho ukuthi it's just God decision. I mean sonke la emhlabeni sizela ukusenda i-message, and uNkulunkulu ungenze kanje just to like, I mean there is a reason why uNkulunkulu angenze kanje, right? It might be to educate others, it might be to send a message, multiple reasons, but it's just God's decision, and mele sonke sithembe decision kaNkulunkulu.
Then at school, how was it like at school?
At school, it was perfectly fine, because I went to isikolo sabantu aba disabled.
Okay.
It was just hard mangiqala. I mean I was like yabona nginjani khotman lami, I believe ukuthi mina bakhona abantu engibathusayo. Bakhona abantu engibathusayo, because they are not familiarized, or like they are not aware of this. Yabo. But when I went to isikolo sabantu aba disabled, ngabona ukuthi yo there is worse. Ne? And when I say there is worse, I don't mean there is worse.
What do you mean?
What I mean is that ungashawa impilo. Ne? For example, ungashawa impilo, ubone ukuthi impilo iyakushaya. But there are multiple people abashawa impilo ukundlula wena. Yabo. So I'm disabled. I might be worse compared to others, but there's worse and the worser people see worser people. Uyangbo? Yeah, that's what I mean.
It's like a hierarchy, Mos.
Definitely.
Yeah, no, I hear you. Then, was there ever like a point in your life where, because obviously, yes, your family can comfort you like in a way you won't even see or think ukuthi you are living with a disability, but outside they may treat you bad to an extent ukuthi mhlambe uzofika to a point ukuthi even your self-esteem now like it's at the lowest. Were you ever like caught up in a situation like that?
Hotmani mina impilo ikhe yangishaya to a point where ngifuna ukuzibulala. Ngihlala ngiwani ngiyasipana, but impilo ikhe yangishaya to a point where ngifuna ukubuyela endlini ngibe useless, bangenzele yonke into. Impilo inokushaya. But I didn't allow that to happen. I can't allow that to happen. Because what difference will it make? Anginazandla, ngibona anginazandla. Mawungafika wena uthi ya wena son lento enganazandla. What difference will it make? Yes, I don't have hands. So what? I have to make a plan ukuthi ngimenyuva kanjani with what I have.
Yeah.
Impilo ayinama feelings we have. Impilo mayikwata nawe. Impilo mayikwata nawe. So what I'm working on is that I want people to see beyond disability. This is just a cover of a book. You don't know ukuthi kwenzakalani emovini. It's just a cover of a book. Uyangithola Khotmandaba?
Yeah, ngiyakuthola.
So now why should I be mad ukuthi uthi anginazandla? That's facts. Anginazandla.
Yeah.
That's facts. Anginazandla. As painful it is, as hurtful it is, anginazandla.
Then what was happening the time ukuthi impilo yake yakushaya? What is it that you were going through?
So what I was going through is that I felt useless. I just wanted to be involved in a lot of things. When seeing my friends playing soccer, I wanted to be involved. Yes, I was playing soccer with them. But bengayenzi the way bayenza ngakhona. I just wanted to be involved in a lot of things. And the way ngizibona ngakhona, people ngeke bangibone the way ngizibona ngakhona. Ngiyazi ukuthi like ngiwetha ini mina ngokwami. But people won't see that. Yiyo into engizwiswa ubuhlungu. Ukuthi people won't see that general things. Ukujola. Bakhona abanye abantu abanyeke bangijole just because I'm like this. Why? Because you don't know what I'm capable of doing. This is just the cover of the book. Bakhona abantu abanyeke bangiqashe emsebenzini wabo just because of I'm like this.
Yeah.
Why? Because this is just a cover of a book. Ngeke ngikubonisa icover ye story bese wena uassume ukuthi kwenzakalani ubani ushone kanjani nani. It's highly impossible. You don't know the story. That means you don't know me. So why are you judging me based on the cover you see. Yiyo into engizwisa obuhlungu kuzo zonke izinto. You know, I've accepted that I'm disabled. I've accepted that there's nothing, absolutely nothing to change the condition that I'm in. Like ayikho into ezweni ungabiza umloyi omthembile ukuthi angiveze izandla. 100% sure anyeka angiphi izandla. I'm 100% sure anyeka angiphi izandla. So what I mean is that this is just a cover. What do you see? Umuntu onganazandla o disabled. Kid you not, I can do everything by myself. I can bath. I can cook. I can clean. I go to work. I study. I do a podcast. I have my own clothing brand, which I'm currently wearing. I do music. So why am I judging a cover? Yiyo impilo engishayayo. Ukuthi why abantu aba disabled mele bajudgwe ngecover. You know, mangeza mele ngeze 2 hours to make sure ukuthi I'm clean. Nginuke kamnandi. Just because people should see beyond disability. Now when amangibona ukuthi yo lentwana enazandla, uachoose onayo asho ukuthi at least unuka kamnandi ugqoke kahle. Just because ukuthi abantu bangaboni disability, but they must see beyond disability. Disability doesn't limit us. It's just a condition. HIV yabulala Hotman, and people can live in HIV. Now thina masibone it's either umuntu kumele akhale or kumele ahleke. Everywhere you go.
So it's like that.
It's like that. If someone doesn't laugh, he or she has to cry.
Cause ubone
mina. Why mele ibe kanjalo? No, I'm also a human being.
Yeah.
I have to attend amagrove. Cause wonke umuntu attend a grove, not wonke umuntu, but it's just a normal thing.
Now
Kule generation esiphila kuyo.
Yeah.
So now when I'm doing it, it's wrong.
So Vela, there are things that maybe like as much as you are living with a disability, do you think like people tend to judge and also try maybe to control you guys? There are certain things that you guys that cannot do.
That's one of the things as I state that I'm also I'm also a human being. Now you smoke, you drink, you have sex. No, literally, Hotman Lam, I'm here to send the message.
Yeah.
Mozenza, you are getting praised. Ale yinjale. When I do them, it's wrong. Nginomntwana ozayo endleleni currently this month.
Oh, hey, congratulations.
Hey, congrats.
Thank you very much. But now wonke umuntu uyangijaja.
Bakujajelani manje?
Wenza umntwana kanjani with the condition you have? What do you mean? I mean ngegroove. Ufunani la unganazandla? What do you mean? So yabona ama challenges esibhekane nawo. Nje like nginokubona abantu bana yonke into. Rich niggas. But bane depression. Yazazi izinto esindlula kuzo on a daily basis. Now when I speech or net depression cause on a 1K. Do you know how much this leg cost? I can't walk without this.
So inyawo zokufakela.
So I'm here to educate people about. Oh, sorry. I'm here to educate people about disability.
Okay.
I was born like this. Rather ask questions than judging. I don't know if people can. I don't know if people can see, but this leg is shorter, and this leg is perfectly fine. So I'm working with a prosthetic leg. This is just to make my legs trying to be equal. Excuse me. This is just to make my legs trying to be equal. And this leg cost at about highly more than 50k. The leg only. So now uyafika wena uzongitshela ukuthi ushawa umhlaba. Yazi izinto esindlula kuzo thina as disabled people. Guys, let's just work on what we have. Nothing will change. So now because I'm disabled, kumele ngilale embhedeni ngazandla. What will change? Nothing. So I'm telling you this to let everybody know that with your condition, you are crying or not, nothing will change unless you use what you have.
No, ngiyakuthola Thami. And then omunye like uzoyibuza ukuthi okay, you say you can clean, you can cook,
You can bath.
you can even bath, which means you can even pick up a cup.
Which means I can even pick up a cup.
True.
Which means I can even pick up a cup.
You can drink.
I can even drink.
You can even use a phone. You can pick up a phone, ne?
I can pick up a phone.
Okay, let me do this. Let me put it here.
Let's say this was my phone. I can pick up the phone.
Check.
Switch it on. Now I can either use the phone using my lip or my finger, where I put the phone on top of my lap and just use the phone. Nothing complicated. So just to add on that, I've taught myself how to do everything what I can do. I'm telling you now that no one can come and say ungifundise ukugeza, ungifundise ukubhala. If you had a book and a pen, I was going to show you how I write. Now, no one taught me that.
You taught yourself.
I taught myself that. And I'm saying that because bengibuka ukuthi mawugeza amazinyo ubamba isiqupho kanjani. Mangafaka ijezi elingibambayo, ngifaka isiqupho la. Ngisibambe kanje. I can try and do mangabamba ivaslap. It took me years. Ukuthi ngikwazi ukuzenzela izinto engizenzayo. I was going to a boarding school where bebangenzela yonke into, bebangigeza, bangishidama, bangenza yonke into, and I hated that. I hated that because now wonke umuntu ongaziyo maka ngibona ubona umuntu okwenzelwa yonke into. So now with this I'm telling people ukuthi uma ukhala ukuthi you are like this, nothing will change. So work around what you have. That's why I'm differently abled. Hotman uphelele. Yakwazi ukuswim. Can you swim?
Well, I can try. It's not like I'm a swimmer. It's not like I'm a
It's not
swimmer,
like
Pale. I'm not a professional swimmer.
Just to add on that again.
Please.
You seem perfectly fine. Absolutely ukuthi abantu mabangibona they see something wrong about me. But I competed against abantu abanormal. Ngabashiya.
Serious?
Kid you not. So now my followers can, like, okay, not my followers, sorry to say that, but my supporters can say, we know that I've raised abantu abaphelele and I've came third or second against amanormal. Adding on that, I'm currently holding an SA record. Excuse me. Swimming. and I mean an essay record. Now the difference is that yes, because of disability, there are categories based on how severe your disability is. But besides that, I'm currently holding an essay record. And it makes no difference to call me disabled, where I can do some things that you can't do. Whereas unayo inkinga,
Uphelele.
uphelele.
Then iswimming ufundiswa ubani ukuswima?
Swimming, I think ngidrawune kayi-10 before ngikwazi ukuswima. But just because ngiyafuna ukwenza into engifuna ukuyenza, just because I want to be seen beyond disability, I've worked around that. Yebo ngifundisiwe ukuswima, ukuthi mawuswima ungena emanzini udive kanje, ubamba kanje, uphefumula kanje nani. Ukufundisa ukuswima, does it make you okay? Ukufundiswa ukugijima, does it make you to be faster in running?
No.
Ngifundisiwe ukuswima, but ukuthi ngihambe ngiphathi world record manje, i-dedication yami,
True.
span sami, consistency yami, nani.
Do you have siblings?
I do have siblings. Abazali bami banabantwana abayi-4. So I'm the ngobisi 2. No sisomkhulu, sisomncane nobhuti omncane. Yeah.
And in all of them, who you are no phila ne-disability?
In all of them, him one who disabled.
So you said it took you years, like ukuthi ukwazi ukwasha, ucleana, ukupheka, and etc. Like, cause I'm pretty sure ukuthi at some point, you probably faced a lot of things that you had to go through a lot for you in order to do that. Cause obviously, like, you were trying to do something which anyone else could argue, say no, but you can't do that. You see.
Impumelelo takes consistency. Impumelelo takes consistency. The subscribers you have now, azange uwathole ngelanga eli-1 or ngevideo eyi-1, right? And there's procedure, there's progress. That's what I did. Ukuthi uNkulunkulu ungenze kanje, yes, but azange angenze ukuthi ngibe futhi isihlahla singcono, ngibe insimbi enganama feelings engakwazi ukwenza next. So I had to do izinto by myself. There are some things I can't do by my own, yes. But there are few. Like ikonopo. Ngiyakwazi ukusichacha ikonopo lejini, but angikwazi ukusifasa. I've tried, like, ngasifundisa, ngazama ukwenza lokho kaningi, but I struggled and I failed. Then I was like, okay, I mean, nabantu abanormal zikhona izinto abangakwazi ukuzenza. So why kumele ngizuzwe ubuhlungu ngalokho? Let me use what I have to do what I can. Consistency key. It took time, yes. Mina ngatshela uma wami ukuthi mina ngizozigeza, ngingakwazi ukuzigeza. Fike ngizithele ngamanzi ngizama ukwenza itrip ngihluleke. Bese ngiphume ngithi ngigezile, ngiphume nginuka ngikhali ilanga lonke. But ngathandaza. Ngasho mina ngokwami ngathi one day ngizokwenza konke engifuna ukukwenza ngokwami. That's why I believe ukuthi it's either like not it's either futhi uNkulunkulu ungenze kanje for a reason. So kune message ekumele ngiyisende ebantwini.
Bonile futhi na ku Facebook yakho, you are very much active. You are doing a dance challenge, dancing, you see. So now, like, you've put in yourself out there to an extent ukuthi even if you get like a negative comment and stuff like that, you just don't pay attention to.
I do pay attention to them. Futhi zangi encourage. Uthi wena ngikwazi ukugeza uza ngikubonise ukuthi ngiyakwazi. Ama negative comments azokwisaphi? Actions speaks louder than words. ngiyithembayo. I do mina like ama negative comment ngiyawabukela. Uzwa umuntu obukele into eceleni nani but azokunceda ngani? So what I do is that ngiwabukele lawo ma negative comments then ngizama ukumaneuver around what they say to my own benefit. But I owe you nothing, man. Uthi when uyafika ufika ukhulume 179 about me, that's you. Mina the only competition I have is the competition like ngami. Tomorrow I want to be the better me than yesterday. That's the only competition I have. Cause i-timetable uNkulunkulu ayiphethe. Njami kunomuntu obe ne-million like it's unnecessary because mina now siskemene for example. When una 20 wenza million nge-20. So mina mele ngicompete ukuthi ngenza million mangina 20. Ngayenza 50 million mangina 23 mos. It's just God's timing, consistency and working around what you have.
What motivated you like to be a content creator? Because you're a content creator, as I've said also, you are dancing, see. What's the motive behind that?
I'm not a content creator, bro. I just want to educate people. I just want to show the parents ukuthi ungamfihli umntwana wakho. I just wanted to show abantu aba disabled ukuthi you being disabled it's not the end. There's a lot beyond that. There's a lot you can do. Yazi kunomuntu ohlele ku wheelchair ongakwazi ukwenza next ngokwakhe. Ongakwazi ukujika nasembedeni.
Yeah.
But the words like amagama angawasho can change impilo yabantu abayi-1000. That's a lot.
Yeah.
The business idea he has engqondweni can make him or her a millionaire to a point whereby sekaphila soft.
And you did mention ukuthi une brand. Awungitshele maybe ngizo-understand go because like so many people are starting their own brand. I think now it's like ngathi it's a fashion to have your own brand.
Fashion, it's like content creation. Now people do things for trend. Now people do things to be known. Mawufuna ukuphumelela ngento you have to like kumele kube nesizathu esicacile. Now this is not just a clothing brand.
Okay.
This is Captain.
Captain.
My clothing brand good. This is Captain. Meaning Captain. The slogan says take action.
Ooh.
So this just means sebenzisa onakho to make impilo yakho isebenze. I can dance, I can rap, clothing brand, I swim, but angeke ngiphumelele kuzo zonke zama zonke. One will make it. So iphupho lakho ungahlali kulo nje ulale kuphela. Take action as a captain.
Yeah, you
are the captain of your own life. Le brand in a message, Hotman.
Yeah.
Buy it or not. This brand actually fashion ukuthi ufuna ukudwala. This brand in a message. This brand encourages. It's like the company I just registered. Unmuted Chaos Entertainment. Now unmuted means the voices are being heard. So I keep you mute.
Okay.
Disabled voices are being heard. Yumlo. Sizikhiphile ku mute no. Sifuna ukuzifaka da. You have to see more than disability. You have to see what I can do. You have to see ingqondo yami. Now to add on that, because the Unmuted Chaos is over the clothing brand very soon.
Okay.
So I just thought ukuthi mina just to add on that ukuthi mina i-clothing brand yami have i-message. You have to feel brave mawuyigqokile. Khona i-out ehlele kibo manje. Uthi lento enganazandla yenza 1279. Mina ngizohlulwa yini? That's encouragement.
Ngicela ukubuza ke mfuka baba. Mhlambe abantu niyayithanda ukuthi baniphathe kanjani? Baniphathe specially noma njengabantu nje normally?
I don't want to be treated specially. I want to be treated equally.
Equally.
So by saying that, I don't want to be helped unless I ask for help. Yabo? That's why ngisho ukuthi uNkulunkulu ungenze kanje for a reason. So I'm here to send the message. I'm here to send the message ukuthi like this or not, you can make what you want to happen. I believe ukuthi kunabantu abazalula ukuzosimoshela empilweni. Now I'm here to make a difference. I'm here to encourage. I mean, I don't want to be rich.
Yeah.
I just want to afford my lifestyle. So I want to be treated equally.
Yeah, but
Unless ngikutshela ukuthi I'm struggling to do this. So now bear with me.
Yeah.
Because I'm struggling. Angizenzi. Khotman lama ngizenzanga kanje. I want people to see me beyond disability. I want to encourage others. I want to tell abantu ukuthi this is not the end of the road, because there are people who are experiencing a lot more than me. That's how I want to be seen.
Njengomuntu osezothola umntwana, njengobuke wakumenshina lokho. Uma umntwana uyakuvakashela noma nama plan ukuthi uhlale nayo something.
Definitely. It's just unfortunate ukuthi generation esikuye imoshakele nathi is encourage ubufebe. It's just unfortunate, but then I do love my girlfriend wholeheartedly. Ngiyafuna ukuphila impilo yami nomuntu wami yonke. Because what you don't know is that, okay, what other people don't know is that abogela bane discipline.
Yeah.
Abogela bazokufaka endleleni right.
Yes.
Yes, my girlfriend is disabled.
Oh, naye futhi.
But disability yakhe, most of the people won't see it physically. But it's there. I mean, maybe you'll notice it mara kutshela ukuthi disability le. Bese khona uyibheka ukuthi oh, wena unale condition. Yabo? So yeah, I do love my girlfriend. Ngifuna ukuphila nayo impilo yami yonke. Because I mean, ubufebe abuna progress kubuyisa imali. Ntombazana afuna yonke into ndoda.
Yeah.
And you'll never be enough. So uthole nengcondo and get progress. Progress.
Have you ever been taken advantage of, like, cause manje girls yaza mantombazana
A lot of times. But I mean, how foolish are you ukuthi wena ube committed in 2 weeks? I've been taken advantage of. Ngike ngashare 3 days after kushare ungela ngicela 1,000 rand, like uyabona wena uze kuzobenefit. Izinto ezinjalo. That happens. It's life. Because bakhona nabantu aba-able bodied abajolelwa imali. That's life.
Yeah.
So yeah, definitely yeah bakhona abogela bakhe bathatha advantage ngam a lot. And nami ngavuma because I wanted to gain something from them. I mean,
Yeah.
It's nothing much.
Yini ekwenza ukuthi uye kumuntu mhlambe
Or
disabled?
Nothing. Nami bengicabanga ukuthi ngingafuna ukusetlela nomuntu disabled. Because why mele face ama challenges so too.
Yeah.
But love, it's powerful.
Oh. Okay.
Uthando linamandla ukundlula yonke into.
Angikuthola la.
Uthando bakhona abantu ngiyaxolisa abantu.
Yeah.
Ngiyaxolisa hle. But ikhona out la ehleli khona. Yeah, iyazi kahle ukuthi yo mina umuntu wami umubi. But because of into ugela iyenzayo, ugela unengqondo. Ugela akafuni ukukusebenzisa, ugela lo amphethe wazi ukuthi okay, le is soulmate, lo is soul tape. Kunomehluko. Lo upethe indawo eziphukile, lo ngizophila naye forever. Umehluko phakathi kwe-fridge ne-cooler box.
Oh. Yeah.
Khona umfazi oyi-cooler box, khona
umfazi oyi-cooler box. I-fridge ihlala endlini, and i-fridge mayihlala endlini ayivulwa unoma ubani.
Yeah, because isukisa endlini.
Yeah.
I-cooler box.
I-cooler box yanoma ubani. Kid you not hot man lam like abantu yabona le abantu bangangizonda for yona. But abantu abahamba egroove bayazi ukuthi ku-cooler box yabo buyatshontsha utshwala. Ugadile or not bazoyivula.
Zikhona impi.
So ngihamba nomuntu wakhe egroveni ungangabuyi naye. So it happens.
Yeah, it happens.
Okay, Njayam, what I want to know now, ngibonile ukuthi uyi-dancer, ne? So did you have like any maybe inspiration maybe from someone who was dancing, or you just decided nje to dance on social media and entertain people?
I just wanted to dance and entertain people, because dancing is one of the things where I don't think ngifundisile, but I was just able ukujive, like ngikhule ngijive vele. But then like naye umuntu engibukela kuye, so now umuntu engibukela kuye umuntu engibonayo ukuthi ukhule kanje and managed to do this. So umuntu engibukela kuye Max G no Kespanyo Vest, just because of labantu labo bazokupruvela ukuthi consistency is key. I just love the fact that ukuthi yababona labantu ukuthi baphuma phi and manje bakuphi, because of izinto bebazenza kudala zikhona kuma platforms, yabo. Izinto eziku platforms azinyamalali nje, they are there forever. Now uyabona ukuthi uMac G makaqala i-podcast uqale phi, the quality was so low. Bekaspanise enye laptop engayibhekele offside straight, but because of he knew what he wanted to do, khotman la mawulazi uphupho lakho and mawazi ukuthi kumele wenzeni ukuthi ufike la, nothing will stop that.
Yeah.
Now what's remaining, it's God's timing. Umuntu engibukele kuye it's Kespanyo Vest and uMac G. But for dancing nani no, it's just something that I love to do. Like I enjoy dancing, happy or sad. It's just a habit. It's just a hobby.
We're gonna wrap it up nje manje, but there are a few things that I also wanted to clear. If you were to be given a chance to speak on behalf of people who are living with disability, how do you think like the government can help and intervene, trying maybe to mitigate some challenges that you guys have on a daily basis, or that you guys tend to face whenever like you are outside or outdoor, if I may say?
Okay, so people living with the disabilities are struggling to use taxis. People living with the disability are struggling ngezinto eziningi, ne? But the only way that can solve this is to educate people about disability. That's the only way.
Yeah.
As long as people know that there is this disability, there is this conditions, or as long as people know that abantu abazalwa aba disabled or abantu ba disabled bakhona emhlabeni, And now there should be a documentary or a podcast or an entertainment where abantu abadisabled share their stories and tell izinto abafuna zenzeka abangafuni zenzeka, advantages and disadvantages, then we'll work from there. Now that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm trying to change. Now who am I? I'm Winkit Adams. What do? I'm owning a podcast. Unmuted Chaos podcast. Unmuted because voices of disability are being heard. We are educating people. We are telling people what do we want and what do we like yini singayifuni. We are letting people know or educating people what we prefer this and not this.
Yeah.
We want equity. And our equity is not your equity. We want equity because we want to be treated equally. But that doesn't mean ukuthi kumele sonke sifolile neCapitec. Cause ngizokhathala.
Yeah.
So now just to answer the question, but angifuni ukuba very long. Ngizothi we have a podcast called Unmuted Chaos Podcast, whereby we share our stories about disability, our love lives, our challenges, educating, and being funny at the same time, so that people don't be bored. I am disabled, but I don't understand a person who takes offense mabathi uhamba nge-wheelchair. That's a fact. Kodwa manje namanye kukwata ukuthi ngeke ngikwatela ukuthi anginazandla. That's a fact. Anginazandla. Nothing will change. Now to answer your question, I'm also working on a documentary called Unmuted Chaos Entertainment. Ezozayo soon. That shows that we are not disabled, but we are differently abled.
Yeah.
Now the difference is just how we look, not what we can do. How we look. So Unmuted Chaos Entertainment is whereby we will show people how we do things. Guti anginazandla angina ini, but I can cook, I can bath, I can clean, I can swim, I can play table tennis, I can play chess, I can rap, I can dance, and a lot more, I guess.
A man of many talents.
Man of many talents.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, that's Unmuted Chaos Entertainment. So go Unmuted Chaos Entertainment, we will show you sports, whereby you will play basketball. People know basketball.
Yeah.
People don't know you will play basketball. As a boy, will play basketball. Thola umuntu ashaya isbackpack nge-wheelchair. Go Unmuted Chaos Entertainment documentary la sonibonisa ukuthi umuntu njengami uswima kanjani. Now I can't do that alone, because no one knows me. It's a pity ukuthi emhlabeni kuphilwa ngama connection. It's unfortunate, because we've seen ukuthi abantu basemthethweni abana ma document wokuba emthethweni. That's a fact. We know that ukuthi kunabantu abastudishayo, abafundile, abaspende ama-1,000 wabo wamagcina to become a lawyer, to study law. And today they are unemployed with degrees and honors. La emhlabeni uphila ngama connection. And that's what I need currently. Yes, I do need money. Ngiyafuna ukubenefit imali kule nto engiyenzayo, but that's not the goal. The goal is to educate. The goal is to share information. The goal is to ukubonisa abantu ukuthi we are alive. This is real. being like this akusiyi bad. Being like this, it's not a curse. Everyone is here for a reason. Njengoba abantu basiye groove basitshontsela amafoni bathi basespanning. But for a reason though. Bazosebenza.
It's their piece job.
Yeah. Piece job.
Okay, I know, Otiam. Unfortunately, we have to wrap it up now. Yeah, we have run out of time. But thank you very much for pulling up. I know it's been a minute, so I'm gonna call you through, yabo. Yeah. It's just that they have a little bit of a tight schedule, you know. Yeah, and obviously even us as a team, when working on certain narrative that we're trying to push also on the channel and stuff like that. So yeah, as much as you said, is cut size. So I guess it was cut, so it's uzela. You see. So I hope your word gets out there and reach more people. Cause Vele, you are here today to educate. So I hope people are educated at home. You see. And yeah, and hopefully they will also check out your podcast as much as you said, and also the stuff that you do. I'm a brand and stuff. Cause Vele, isn't they fella Nabona, Caritas and stuff? People don't more pay attention to it anymore. You see, it has lost its touch. So internet is cut as much as the TV, it lost its touch. You see, so even DSTV, it falls under that now. You see, so. Yeah, but nonetheless, thank you very much for coming. I would like you to share your socials on that camera where people can follow you and check out even your brand and stuff and whatever that you do so that they can, you know, and how to get the merchandise and stuff, you see. So, yeah, just let them know.
Okay,
and then we're going to wrap it up.
I'll just share a story and the 5 minutes. But before, I just wanted to say thank you very much for having me. Thank you very much for giving me a chance to share what I wanted to share. This really means a lot, and for me this is life changing. Yazi impilo mayichange angeke ubone ukuthi change ava, but kunaleyo point ezos-change, I need to change the entire thing that you wanted to upgrade or whatever the situation might be. So thank you very much. So now to let the people know again, once more, my name is Mikis Adams, aka Short Stuff. So I was a professional swimmer, currently holding an SA record, but unfortunately I stopped swimming because of, I feel like because of its disability, I've reached my highest potential. Like I can't do more than what I did. Yeah, then and I'm a artist. I rap. May I please just start a young freestyle before you close, then we'll just rate that and we'll close.
Okay.
I rap. I have a clothing brand, Captain, which I'm currently wearing. And how to get that? Guys, I'm still trying, like ngisazama impilo. So just text me go Facebook or YouTube, or TikTok, I mean, at short stuff 11 SHORTSTAFF 11. Then go Facebook, I'm MANKIND, mankind, cause iyo le nhlobo ezaliwe le nibonayo ebusweni benu. Then yeah, man, I mean, sonke siqala somewhere, then we'll grow from there. It's just that I don't know much enzakalayo ku industry. I'm here to learn. I hate myself for studying this without knowing the knowledge as yet. Yeah, and we have a podcast ezonazisa nge-disability and so on. I mean a lot. Ukuthi like ungajola nomuntu disabled, why not? What do we prefer and not? In our opinions, like kuzinto ezenzakalayo emhlabeni, as it's unmuted chaos. The chaos side basically means izinto ezitrendayo and etc. So lapho sizama ukunibonisa ingqondo yethu to show that the physical side doesn't affect our brain. So now we talk about amakorekore mela hambe na, yes or not. We talk about the abantu abanama positions without the documents, just to share our ingqondo zethu ukuthi like how far can we yabo. Unfortunately there's no time for me to share more, but yeah man, please just go check me out. And ningabi nale mentality yokuthi ngoba ngenza 1 2 3 ngeke ngikwazi wenza 1 2 3, because I mean I just noticed now ukuthi I've lost some followers ku TikTok just because I was drinking alcohol ku TikTok. What's that? Abolipaka bakwazi ukuphuza amahenisi ku live and gain more followers. Now because it's me and anginazandla, now I lose people. But it's fine. I guess now ngibone ngendlela ngaleyo ngibone ngayo. And fortunately enough I'm here to send a message. So yeah, please just go check me out. It's Short Stuff on TikTok, Mankind on Facebook, Short Stuff on YouTube, Unmuted Chaos on podcast, and Unmuted Chaos Entertainment for the documentaries that are coming. Captain clothing brand, text me on TikTok, and I have another clothing brand that's called Peace Magents. Asifuna ukulwa madoda, asifuna peace, include us kule game. Yeah, and should I tell a freestyle now to close it off?
Yeah, you can tell a freestyle.
Okay. Should I? Okay. Anginazandla nginamagama lento ngizalwe ngayo, thole ngishaya ivesi ezindala zingibiza abafo, ya ngifuna imali kodwa lento ngiyenza ngothando, ay intando kwabawo, ayasiphume lapho. And goes on. And another one says, talking about love, nganona kamorata, hey beauty and smile, nganona wang hlansa like pretty face boobs, and akwale nyalo debi, how you know G, I took it from no one. Ke mo downloadile ka dlala modimo mfile enhle kuyitlisitse, it doesn't really matter the fact we together. Akholema yonke into, lo mntana omlilo uyangibasa uyangikhaza uyangithanda uyangiphandla yo hagi in love. Let me take you to paradise. I love you. With you, I'm happy. That's why I wanna stay. I choose you every day. Like your vibe and energy, your beauty, the way you kiss me. Listen to me. Tell me, oh no, humanate miando. Shout out.
Okay, shout out. On the comment section, please do rate the freestyle out of 10. I'll leave it to the people. Yeah, so that now you can see and get validation of what you're doing. Because please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And we are out.
Danko.